can't get, wait, pause. Because I can't believe it's not chicken. I can't believe it. Hey foodie friends, it's Dina here with EatLaughReview, and today I have another recipe for you guys. I'm making, are you ready for this? Fried chicken, vegan fried chicken that is. And I am so excited. I came across this recipe and I said, you know what? I just miss eating that fried chicken. So I'm gonna attempt this with you guys here. So let's get busy on this. Before we get busy there, I just wanna welcome all my new viewers. Welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, guys, to show me some love. And at the end of this video, or during the video, or at the beginning of the video, or now, don't forget to hit that like button, you know? Because a girl likes those likes. Know what I'm saying? Okay, guys, so let's get busy because I can't wait to fry this chicken. I know, wild, right? You're probably wondering, what am I using for this? We are gonna use tofu. Extra firm, that is. So I have my extra firm tofu, which I froze overnight and thawed in the morning. And what we're gonna do with that, you're gonna get it out and you're gonna squeeze the tofu. Now, when you freeze this tofu, do not open the package. And then you're just gonna squeeze the tofu. You can use 2 cutting boards, or if you have one of those fancy machines, the tofu squeezer thingamajig, go ahead. I didn't have that, so I just used 2 cooking boards. And you just squeeze the heck out of it. You know, just go to town and get all that water out. Once you get all the water out, get some clean dish towels, place your tofu there, and do another squeezerino on them. And just squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Gently this time around until you get all that water out. Because the key is a nice semi-dry tofu to get that nice chicken texture. Okay? That look-alike chicken texture. Okay, guys, so let's get busy here. I have my ingredients. I'm gonna go over it with you guys. So let's go. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna bore you with all the exact measurements here. I'll put the recipe down below if you guys want to make it, and don't forget, if you do want to make it, take a picture of it and tag me on it. Okay, so I have in here is flour. I put some nutritional yeast, some paprika for that smoky taste, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. So that's that mixture in here. So we have our flour going. Then we are going to use our egg replacer substitute, and all you have to do, just read the instructions there. It's just 2 teaspoons of that and some warm water, and this is what it looks like. Well, which I added a lot more than 2 teaspoons here. I think it's like 8 I added. So this is our egg replacer for our batter. And then it calls for some Rice Krispie cereal, about a cup of that. And then it also calls for some vegetable stock. I use the Better Than bouillon. You guys, if you guys watch my videos, you're familiar with that bouillon that I always use. So I just mix that paste with some water there, and then I have my own little veggie stock here. Okay, all right, so let's get to it. Enough with the jibber jabber. And most importantly, the main ingredient, let me show you the tofu. Look at this guy. So he's been squeezed to oblivion. So we're using 2, so he's nice and dry here. Okay, so we're gonna divide the tofu into like 10 chunks here, okay? Worst case scenario, we can make some popcorn chicken to save the day. So we're supposed to form this, like cut it up like if it was pieces of chicken here. All right, so you guys get the drift here, just break it up. So now guys, we're going to soak our tofu in this veggie broth. Even if little pieces break off, no big deal. We can just get them fried up there. So get them all in here in the pool. And we are going to use our hands and we're gonna let this tofu absorb the goodness here. All right, so now it has all that goodness in there. So it could give us that chicken taste. Any extra liquid down there, which you see it there, we have to drain it. So go drain that and I'll BRB. Okay guys, so now the party really starts, because now what we're gonna do, we're gonna add our tofu pieces and we're gonna add them in our flour, okay? And our seasoned flour. So we place our tofu gently in here and this flour just like so. Shake off the excess, right? You know, no thinking, just, you know, go for it. You know what I mean? You're supposed to have fun. Food is fun. Okay guys, so tell me, where are you gonna find some square chicken pieces Tell me, where are you gonna find this? Nowhere, right? Okay, so comment below, let me know if you know anywhere on the planet Earth that they make square chicken. But you know what? We are, and it's gonna be good. All right. Okay, foodie friends, so we have our flour here with our seasoned good stuff, and then our Rice Krispies. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw the Rice Krispies right in there. And what we do with this then is you kind of have to scrunch them down with the flour. So this is kind of messy. So you gotta get your hands in there. We're gonna break them up, break up these Rice Krispies just a little bit, not too much here. And we just blend them up because this is gonna give us the nice crunch factor that we are looking for in the fried chicken. Okay, so that's nice and mixed up there. Let's get our egg batter here, our eggless batter. So grab your floured chickenless pieces here, and we are gonna dunk in our egg thingamajig here. Dip your chicken squares, shaky so we don't have overdue on the egg thingy, and coat them with the Rice Krispies and the flour, just like this. And just do that process over and over again. If you have a little bit of chicken pieces falling in here, it's okay, no big deal. Again, I think that's gonna be the really good part, is those little crunchy guys. Ooh, baby. I'm gonna make my vegan ranch for this. Just thinking out of the box here, I have nothing prepared for a dipping sauce, but I'm thinking something spicy. So my wheels are spinning while I'm doing this, and I'm thinking of a dip recipe in my head that I can do that's spicy. So, but when we get there, we will figure it out together. Get these guys nice and coated here. But in the meantime, get your wok if you have a wok. If you don't, no worries. Use a pan, whichever you want, even an air fryer, whatever. And get it all nice and warm while you're doing this process, okay? So I'll be right back. Okay, foodie friends, so this is what it looks like after doing that other coating with the Rice Krispies. So now it's ready to get dipped in the heat. So let's go over to my wok, and we're gonna get these bad boys in the fryer. Here we go. We're just gonna grab a little chunky, just a baby one, just to see how hot our oil is. Oh, okay, so it's good. Good to go. So let's add them gently. You have to treat them like little newborns. Nice and gentle, these tofu pieces. And don't overcrowd them, just add a couple of them. And there you go. So let those guys get nice and golden brown. Okay, foodie friends, so now we have our chickenless chickens fried here. And look how they came out. Beautiful, don't they look so nice? Like, who knew? Who knew we can make tofu look like pieces of fried chicken? So I'm super excited. I was worried about the little square pieces, remember that? But you know what? It actually looks, it just looks great. It came out so good. It smells wonderful here. I'm dying to try it. So let's start with our dipping action. I have my ranch. You guys know my vegan ranch recipe already. If you don't, check out my buffalo cauliflower video. I'll put the link up here. See how I make my vegan ranch. So that's that here. Look at that goodness. Look at that, look at that. Yummy, yummy, yum. Thinking, what can I do here for another sauce? Because I want to give you guys 3 dipping sauces. Let's do a nice spicerino one. What if I add some of my Tom Tom sauce here? And if you guys don't know what Tom Tom sauce is, it's a spicy Szechuan chili garlic sauce. So good. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that in there. I'm just winging this as we go right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna add some Sweet Baby Ray's buffalo wing sauce, which is vegan. I just found out it's accidentally vegan. I love when that happens. Okay, so we're just gonna add some of that in there. And then just for a little sweet and spice and everything nice, we're gonna add some of the agave syrup. And let's just see what happens here. Let's just see. I'm just gonna dip my little pinky and try it. Ooh, baby. That's delish. And there's your little spicy spice. What should we call it? So remember guys, Tom Tom, buffalo wing sauce, and agave syrup, okay? So you guys think of a name, comment below, and I will shout you guys out on my next video. Okay, so there we go. So that's nice and good. Look at this. That's gonna be good. Okay, Okay guys, so agave syrup is in replacement of honey. So whatever honey recipe you have, just swap it out for agave syrup because this is the vegan substitute for honey. And now I'm gonna do a honey mustard for the third because my little one loves honey mustard. So I just have your regular yellow mustard here. Okay, no big whoop, just nothing fancy, yellow. And then we're gonna have some blue agave. And we're just gonna add a few little things here. Okay, so let's try it. So good. Okay, perfect. So you have your honey mustard, simple, easy peasy, guys. Because you know, I'm all about easy peasy recipes. Tasty. So we have our 3 sauces. The one you guys are promising me that you're gonna name a name for that mystery sauce on the comments below. And now we eat. Guys, look at this chicken here. Look how crispy and crunchy it looks. OMG. I mean, seriously right now, does that not look like chicken? I'm just so excited to try it. It was easy, it wasn't difficult to do, so this is gonna be a #1 dish here for the family here. When we're in the mood for chicken, I'm just gonna go and fry some tofu up. Let me see, which one should I pick? Which one, guys? Which one should I pick? I don't know. I don't know which one to pick. Let's go with this guy. Dip this bad boy in the ranch here. Ooh, baby. Look at this. It's like chicken. And with that broth that we soaked the tofu in, oh my gosh, it tastes just like chicken. This ranch is just thebomb.com, by the way. Tastes just like it. And I haven't had chicken in quite some time, a long time here, but it looks like it. And look at that. It's so delicious. So let's dip in this mystery sauce that you guys are gonna comment below with a name. Let's see here. This is the sweet and spicy one. Ooh, baby, look at that. Oh, look how it's dripping. Oh my God. So good. So good. You get that sweet and spicy. The crunch factor though on this is phenomenal. Those Rice Krispie treats, man. Boy, oh boy. Okay, so now the honey mustard. All right. The texture, the honey mustard is so good. It's just, I don't know how to explain it. It's really good. The texture is just right. If you don't want to make seitan, use the tofu, guys. It's so good. And I wouldn't steer you guys wrong. Delicious. Oh, I'm so in love. I'm so in love. So delicious. Okay, guys. Okay, foodie friends. I'm gonna go and sneak away and finish this up here before family comes down. I wanna have at least 2 or 3. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a big like. And also, if you make this recipe, take a picture and tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.